Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to add PayPal Smart Payment button to your WordPress website using the Checkout for PayPal plugin. If you've been struggling to add a clean, secure, and easy payment option to your site, this tutorial will make it super simple. So stay tuned till the end, because by the time we're done, your customers will be able to pay you directly through PayPal with just one click. Log in to WordPress. All right. Let's begin. First, head over to your WordPress homepage. At the top right corner, click on Login. You'll see a few sign-in options. For the quickest and most secure way, choose Continue with Google. Now, select the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. This will take you straight to your WordPress dashboard where we can start making changes. Access the site editor. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Here, click on Edit Site. This opens up the WordPress site editor. If you manage multiple websites under your account, simply pick the one where you want to add the PayPal buttons. This will bring you inside the visual editor where you can make live design changes, add the PayPal block. Now, here's the main part. Inside the editor, look at the top left corner and click on the plus icon to open the block library. In the search bar, type PayPal. You should see a block option labeled PayPal Smart Payment Buttons. Click on it. This block lets you embed fully functional PayPal buttons that automatically adapt to your customer's location and preferred payment method. Once added, you'll see a preview of the PayPal buttons appear on your page, including options for PayPal, credit cards, and more. You can drag it anywhere on the page. For example, below a product description or at the end of a checkout form. Save and publish changes. Now that your PayPal button is in place, it's time to make it live. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click Save. Wait a few seconds and that's it. Your PayPal Smart Payment buttons are now active on your website, ready to accept real payments instantly. Visitors will see a sleek PayPal checkout right on your page, giving them a faster and more trusted way to pay you. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to add PayPal Smart Payment buttons to your WordPress website. This simple integration not only makes your checkout look professional, but also builds trust and convenience for your customers. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see a specific tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.